Simeon, who is this?
Thomas.
Good job. Who is this?
James.
Who is this?
Molly.
Who is this?
Dad.
Who is this?
Percy.
That is his chain collection.
I want to put any carbo.
Okay. Simeon, come and run chains down the chain. Simeon.
I got to tell us tales. Something they doing something.
Simeon, turn the Percy around. We're going to take a conversation, okay? Hi, Percy.
Hi, Thomas.
Here, get Percy. Hi, Percy.
Hi.
Do you want to go to the seaside?
Yeah.
Let's go. When Thomas and Percy arrived to the seaside, they found Molly and Dash on the way. They said, "Pee pee." They found a few of their best friends, James and Percy, and the firefighter. Ain't this fun to be at the seaside, said Thomas. Say yes.
Yes.
Say it loud. Say yes.
Yes.
Percy says yes. Molly comes along and asks, "Hey, can we play with you too?"
Yeah.
Percy says, yeah.
Yeah.
And off they went. It was time to go do the work. So Percy ran out of fuel. Now Thomas has to push Percy all the way to the steamworks. "Bye, Dash. Bye, Molly," says Thomas and Percy. And chugga they went on. Later on at the steamworks, Percy said thank you. He had no one to pull his mail cars. Percy said, "Thomas, will you pull my mail cars?" Percy said yes. So Thomas went off to go pull his mail cars. Chugga. And along came a new train. His name was... Along came a new train. His name was Stanley. He was an old, raggedy, old-fashioned train. Thomas said, "Move out my way, you old, raggedy thing." That made Stanley feel sad. He went to go explore some more of this. He met up with Percy. Percy said, "Woo, woof, you stink." When Thomas was pulling Percy's milk carts, he met up with James. James said, "Thomas, Sir Topham Hatt needs to see you." Thomas said, "Right away, James." Woo, woo, pushing Percy's milk carts along the way. When he arrived, Sir Topham Hatt was standing right there. Sir Topham Hatt said, "Thomas, there's a festival going on here, and we need your help. We need you to go pick up the bulldozers and a few toys for the boys to have their festival." And Thomas said, "Right away, sir."
I need to cover this up. It's not covered.
On the way, he collected the bulldozer and the teeter-totter to play. He brought them all to where they meet up at.
Real good, Mama.
Sir Topham said, "I'm proud of you, Thomas, and thank you for all of your work." Thomas ran off. He met up with that nasty Stevie engine again. "Oh, so here we meet again," said Stanley. "Maybe one day I'll show you how good I and really useful I am."
Mama, yes, sir. I have a job for you. If you collect something.
Yeah. Now we will show you how our little steamy tails work.
To them.
Stanley went off, leaving Thomas with nothing to say. Thomas said, "I'll see about that." What in the world?
I'll say the end.
The end. This will be continued. The end.